What if the reason you can't get yourself to do the thing is because your brain doesn't believe you anymore? I think a lot of us stopped trusting ourselves. You stop believing in your own promises, not consciously. You don't wake up and say, I don't trust myself, but your actions say it. You sit down to work and your brain goes, yeah, right. You've heard this speech before. You say you'll start Monday. Your brain says, we've done this meeting already. You'll get excited about a new goal. And a little voice in the back of your head says, sure, we'll see. That's not laziness. That's damaged self-trust. And damaged self-trust is brutal because it feels exactly like procrastination. But it's not the same thing. You're not avoiding the task. You're avoiding another disappointment. You're tired of letting yourself down. You're tired of getting your hopes up. And you're tired of becoming the person who always starts and never finishes. I know that feeling. I'm 52 years old. I've worked the same job for 2 decades. Then the rules changed and my income got cut in half. A few years ago, cancer showed up. Now I'm sitting in my car after work recording videos, trying to build something completely different. And there are days I don't feel like doing it, days that I doubt myself, days that I wonder if any of this is working. But here's what I've learned. Self-trust doesn't come back because you believe harder. It comes back because you collect evidence, tiny evidence, boring evidence, unimpressive evidence. You say you're going to do one thing, then you do it. That's it. That's the whole game. Not 10 things, not a perfect morning routine, not a life transformation by Tuesday. One thing, one promise, one kept word. Because every kept promise leaves a receipt too. And eventually those receipts start stacking up. You become the person who follows through. Not because you feel different, because you've proven it over and over. That's how trust gets rebuilt. The same way it was destroyed, one decision at a time. So if you're sitting there today frustrated with yourself, stop asking, how do I get motivated? Ask a different question. What's one promise so small I can't talk myself out of it? Then do that. Not because it's life-changing, because it's trust building. And trust is what gets you moving again. This is Jay Call. I'm a work in progress. Aren't we all? Remember to like and subscribe.